Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 8th. It's me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed from Beria Foundation College Noshar Feroz. Subject teacher computer. Dear students, in last lecture we learned about conversion of decimal numbers into octal number systems on book page number 5, and today we are going to learn about the conversion of decimal numbers into hexadecimal numbers on book page number 6. So dear students, on book page number 6 we are going to learn about the conversion of decimal number systems into hexadecimal number systems. So dear students, we are already aware about the decimal number systems, and in today's lecture we will have to concentrate on the hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system consists on 16 digits and its base is 16. The series of hexadecimal number system starts from 0 to F, wherever 10 numbers starting from 0 to 9 are represented by the numbers that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So dear students, the numbers that I have taken names are represented in numeric form, and the remaining digits of hexadecimal numbers are represented by alphabetic letters, that's A, B, C, D, E, F. So dear students, here there is the series of hexadecimal number systems. So dear students, to convert decimal numbers into hexadecimal number system, there is an example. Convert 55 decimal number system into its hexadecimal equivalent. So dear students, to convert decimal number systems into hexadecimal number systems, we will use repeated division method. So dear students, we will divide the given value by the base of hexadecimal number systems, that's 16. So dear students, here there is the 55. So the table of 16 will divide it 3 times. 1 16 the 16, 2 16 the 32, and 3 16 the 48. So dear students, 48 will be subtracted from the 55. The remainder will be 7. So dear students, here we will calculate the number or the answer of the conversion of decimal number systems into hexadecimal number systems, starting from the least number, that's 3 to 7. So dear students, the answer of this value is 55. Decimal number system is equal to 37 hexadecimal number system. So dear students, on book page number 6 there is an other example to convert 2 to 5 decimal number systems into hexadecimal number systems. So dear students, this example you will have to see yourself on book page number 6, and Dear students, your homework is to convert 95 decimal number systems into hexadecimal number system. So dear students, this is the homework that you will have to solve and send me on our WhatsApp group. So dear students, today's lecture is winded up here and we will meet in coming up lecture. So till the coming up lecture, Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, Allah Hafiz.